So, any question from your last lecture? So, what we were discussing? Which mechanism we were discussing?
Aromatic nucleophilic substitution.
ARSN2 mechanism. Okay. And this mechanism was addition elimination pathway. That means first of all addition of nucleophile take place and then leaving group leave. Okay, and this is a bimolecular reaction. So suppose you have simple chlorobenzene and this one nitrochlorobenzene, and you do its reaction. Okay, then you have dinitro-chlorobenzene, and suppose you have trinitrochlorobenzene. Now, in which case your reaction will be faster or more easier? Or in which case you can say reaction will take place at lower temperature out of these three cases. Very easy, bolo. Here you have a 3 nitro groups, 1 nitro group, 2 nitro group. And chlorine is your leaving group, so your mechanism is going to be addition elimination reaction. That means first of all hydroxide will get added and then leaving group will leave. So in which case reaction will be faster?
Sir, जिथे 3 nitro group लगे हुए हैं.
When there are 3 nitro groups, because they have a very strong electron withdrawing effect that and decrease electron density over the ring and facilitate the attack of nucleophile. So this reaction take place at temperature of 150 degree. This take place at reaction 150 degree, while this reaction take place at 100 degree. So you can see this reaction requires a lower temperature. While this third reaction in which 3 nitro groups are attached, this reaction take place just at 25 degrees centigrade. So this reaction is your fastest reaction. Now, similarly, a nucleophilic substitution by this mechanism are also possible in some heterocyclic compounds. Now, as I told you, if there's a presence of nitrogen or oxygen in ring, that increase rate of this reaction. Why it increase rate of reaction? By decreasing electron density over the ring. So, for example, you have pyridine. Now, this is your pyridine. Now, if you treat pyridine with sotamide, this hydrogen over alpha position is substituted by NH2. What's the name of this reaction? To see BSH padya hoya reaction to give rise to alpha aminobenzene or 2-aminopyridine. Sorry. What's the name of this reaction? BSH padya si tusi reaction final year heterocyclic chemistry de vich. This reaction is called Chichi-Babin reaction. So in case of pyridine, nucleophilic substitution take place over this alpha position. Similarly, if you treat this pyridine with phenyllithium, or you treat it with simply potassium hydroxide, or if you treat it with butyl lithium, what will be product? Bolo jaldi nal. So here nucleophile is OH. So this hydrogen, alpha hydrogen in pyridine will be replaced by OH. So you will get this one. Here, what's your nucleophile? What is the nucleophile in phenyllithium? जिसके ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज जो ही न्यूक्लियोफाइल होएगा ना, की न्यूक्लियोफाइल है phenyl. So you will get 2 phenyl substituted pyridine, and here nucleophile is butyl. So in pyridine, this nucleophilic substitution reaction take place. Why this take place? Because of the presence of this hetero atom. The presence of this heteroatom, what it does, it reduces electron density over the ring, and due to this reduction in electron density, nucleophile can attack. So now there's a one question that you have to see it by yourself. BSc च भी पढ़या सी. Why nucleophilic substitution? Why nucleophilic substitution in pyridine take place at alpha position? That means it take place over this position, not over this position. This is alpha, this is beta. So it take place over alpha position, but not on beta position. So you have to explain it why. So can you explain it why this happen? न्यूक्लियोफाइल ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਚਾਰਜ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਜਿਸ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਚਾਰਜ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਉਸ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਤੇ ਨਿਊਕਲੀਓਫਾਈਲ ਅਟੈਕ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਅਗਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਦੀਆਂ ਰੈਜ਼ੋਨੈਂਸ ਸਟਰਕਚਰਸ ਬਣਾਓ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਇਫ ਯੂ ਮੇਕ ਇਟ ਰੈਜ਼ੋਨੈਂਸ ਸਟਰਕਚਰਸ over this carbon over alpha carbon positive charge will come. Okay, so you have to draw them by yourself. Like if you have this one, so nitrogen is more electronegative, so they can shift over nitrogen. So you can get something like this. ਇਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ negative charge ਆ ਜਾਏਗਾ here positive. So if you further rotate it, so here you will get a negative, positive, and like this. So in how many structures there is a positive charge over this alpha carbon? So you have a here positive charge, here positive charge. Okay, but at meta position over this position, beta position, you don't have any positive charge. So at alpha position you have positive charge, at beta position you don't have any positive charge. So nucleophile किस position पे attack करेगा over this alpha position. So that's why nucleophilic substitution in pyridine take place over alpha position, not over beta position, because in resonance structure positive charge comes over alpha position. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us look over the mechanism of this ArSN2 reaction. Mechanism. This reaction is also known as addition elimination reaction. So addition मतलब पहला addition होएगा उस तो बाद elimination. It's a bimolecular reaction. यानी कि nucleophile और substrate इकट्ठे act करेंगे. So your rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of substrate and concentration of nucleophile. So rate of reaction depends upon both. So in the very first step, what will happen? Suppose you have this substrate. Suppose you have this substrate. L is your leaving group and this is your nucleophile. So what will happen? Where nucleophile will attack? Where nucleophile will attack?
So this carbon are leaving group लग गया है.
इससे attack करेगा ना. So nucleophile will attack on this carbon. And what you call this carbon जिससे ऊपर leaving group लगा हुआ है, mono substituted benzene ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ जिस carbon ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ substitute ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ipso carbon ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ. So this carbon is your ipso carbon. ठीक है. So the reaction start with ipso attack of nucleophile over benzene ring. So this carbon is your ipso carbon, mono substituted ring ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. So when this nucleophile attack over here, that means your pi electrons they will shift over this carbon. So you will get negative charge over here. So nucleophile. Okay. So then this negative charge will be stabilized by, of course, resonance. So you can draw the different resonance structures. Then this will move over here. This will move over here. And finally, your leaving group will leave to give rise to nucleophilic substituted product. So you can also draw their resonance hybrid structures. So in resonance hybrid structure, this negative charge is delocalized over these carbon. पूरे तो नहीं हैगा delocalized. And here you have a L and nucleophile. So in the first step, there's a generation of this carbonyl. This is second step. Okay, sorry, let's write in different step. Okay. So in the first step, addition of nucleophile take place to give rise to a cross plane is also known as Meschenheimer complex. Meschenheimer complex. This carbonyl which is formed over here. Now this step, addition of this nucleophile to this benzene ring is a slow step, and this step is a rate determining step. Then in step 2, which is the faster step, leaving group leaves. So leaving group leaves, and you get nucleophilic substituted product. and this step is a fast step. So now why this is stabilized by electron withdrawing group. So if electron withdrawing groups are present, this will stabilize this carbanion and it will increase rate of reaction. So I think it's very easy. कोई doubt है तो बोलो.
No, sir.
Okay. So what are evidences in favor of this mechanism? Key evidence हो सकते हैं. The very first evidence is this carbanion, this aromatic carbanion, like carbanion बने हैं थोड़ा mention है मेरे complex. This carbanion has been isolated. The very first evidence is इस reaction दे विच जिहड़ा carbanion बने हैं, it has been isolated. In case of this substrate, so when you have this substrate, this one trinitro substrate, and here leaving group is ethoxy group. Now in this substrate, in this case, when this molecule is treated with the methoxide ion, this one, so attack take place over here and you get mission hammer complex. This complex has actually been isolated. Now why this has been isolated? Isolated the key matlab hai this is highly stable. Why this is stable? Why this complex is highly stable? बोलो. बहुत easy है, ये पता होना चाहिए क्यों ज़्यादा stable है. इससे कार्बन के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज आ गया ना. Why this is highly stable? This complex. बेटे कार्बन आए ने 3 नाइट्रो ग्रुप लगे हुए ना, नेगेटिव चार्ज है ना, 3 नाइट्रो ग्रुप लगे हुए ने तां की होएगा. 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग नाइट्रो ग्रुप लगे हुए ने तां की होएगा बोलो.
Sir, electron density ਨੂੰ ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਘਟਾ ਦੇਗਾ.
It will stabilize it by resonance. So you can write many resonance structures. So one is this one. So this can shift back from here. From here you get back this structure. So due to the presence of these nitro groups, this resultant carbanion is highly stable. These 3 nitro group, they stabilize this carbanion. Okay, they stabilize it, this carbanion. So the resultant will be like this. There are 3 these resultant carbanions. And this carbanion, this resultant carbanion is highly stable and it even has been isolated. Okay, this even has been isolated. So that confirm there's a formation of this uranium carbanion. Uranium carbanion we कहते हैं. Uranium carbanion. Okay, number of resonance structures are possible. So the very first evidence is this one. Now second is what will be effect of leaving group in this reaction. Now suppose you have a leaving group chlorine, bromine and iodine. So what do you expect about the rate of reaction? We have to prove that your first step is a rate determining step while second step is not a rate determining step. पहला evidence की हो गया ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ कार्बोनाइन बनता है न्यूक्लियोफाइल ਦੇ addition होने तो बाद उसने actually isolate कर लिया. Now what will be effect of leaving group on the reaction? Suppose your leaving group is chlorine, bromine and iodine. So what will be its effect on the rate of reaction? These leaving groups, they do not affect rate of reaction very largely. Now out of these 3 groups, which is best leaving group? Chlorine, bromine and iodine? Iodine. So in these cases, in case of iodine, the rate of reaction differ by only factor of 5. So what this mean? This means even iodine is a best leaving group available over here, but if you compare chlorine and iodine, the rate of reaction just differ by factor of 5. That means your carbon leaving group bond does not break in rate determining step. And how you confirm that? भी कार्बन और लीविंग ग्रुप वाला बॉन्ड रेट डिटरमिनिंग स्टेप ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ, ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਫਰਦਰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਨਫਰਮ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ?
Isotope labeling method ਦੇ ਨਾਲ. So it was further observed that when one of the placed by its isotope,
So you have 35 isotope and 37 chlorine isotope. So when these substituted substrates were taken, no effect on overall rate of reaction was observed. So this means your carbon chlorine bond does not break in rate determining step. So that means second step is not a rate determining step, and the addition of nucleophile to your substrate ipso attack is only rate determining step. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. However, हम तुसी ये आंसर दोगे. However, when fluorine is a leaving group, however, when fluorine is a ArSN2 reaction, the rate of reaction was increased by around 3,300 times. Why? If you have a chlorine and fluorine, even though fluorine is a poor leaving group, ठीक है, fluorine की poorest leaving group पे in aliphatic SN2 reactions, but here in case of aromatic substitution reactions, if you take a fluorine, that is fluorobenzene, the rate of reaction with nucleophile is 3,300 times more as compared to chlorine. Why? Yes, why? Why chlorine? Why fluorine is a best leaving group? In this case, क्वेश्चन समझ आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा? अगर क्लोरीन है, ब्रोमीन है और आयोडीन है, तो ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਵੀ ਆਇਓਡੀਨ ਬੈਸਟ ਲੀਵਿੰਗ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਹੈ, ਔਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤਿੰਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਕੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੇਟ ਆਫ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਡਿਫਰ ਕਰਦੀ ਬਾਈ ਫੈਕਟਰ ਆਫ 5. that means in case of iodine reaction is faster about 5 times as compared to your chlorine. ठीक है, but that means कि second step is not a rate determining step. But when your fluorine is leaving group, ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ? Rate of reaction becomes so fast, around 33 times faster. Why this happened? Why fluorine act as a best leaving group in ArSN2 reactions?
Sir, fluorine most electronegative है, so electron density उससे इफेक्ट पाएगी रिंग पे.
Yes. Now what happens since देखो reaction हो किਵੇਂ ਰਹੀ है, बड़ा न्यूक्लियोफाइल नेगेटिवली चार्ज्ड है, ਉਹ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਅਟੈਕ ਕਰੇਗਾ? ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵਲੀ ਚਾਰਜਡ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਤੇ. ਉਹਨੇ ਇਸ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਤੇ ਅਟੈਕ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਵਾਲੇ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਤੇ ਇਪਸੋ ਅਟੈਕ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. ਨਾਓ ਮੋਰ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਚਾਰਜ ਓਵਰ ਦਿਸ ਕਾਰਬਨ, ਜਿੰਨਾ ਇਸ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਲਿਵਿੰਗ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ, ਜਿੰਨਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਇਸ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਚਾਰਜ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਓਨੀ ਫਾਸਟਰ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਕਿ ਸਲੋਅਰ ਹੋਏਗੀ?
फास्टर.
ਓਨੀ ਫਾਸਟਰ ਹੋਏਗੀ. ਨਿਊਕਲੀਓਫਾਈਲ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ 네ਗੇਟਿਵ ਚਾਰਜ ਹੈ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, उसने इस कार्बन के ऊपर अटैक करना, इसके ऊपर जितना ज्यादा पॉजिटिव चार्ज होएगा ओनली रिएक्शन की होएगी फास्टर होएगी. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस, फ्लोरीन इज ए मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव atom. Fluorine is the most electronegative atom. So what it does, it withdraw electron density from this carbon by minus I effect. It withdraw electron density from this ipso carbon. Carbon ipso carbon, so it withdraw electron density from this ipso carbon by minus I effect, and it acquires a partial negative charge, and this carbon acquires a partial positive charge. So this result in a decrease in electron density over ipso carbon, making carbon fluorine bond weak with more positive charge over this carbon, and the attack of nucleophile take place very easily. Even though this is unstable, fluoride is unstable, iodide jara stable, but reaction take place faster and take place around 3,300 times faster as compared to these chlorine, bromine or iodine. Therefore, fluorine is the best leaving group in this case. Is it clear or not? Bolo jaldi nal tinno cheezaं.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this was your ArSN2 reaction. So in ArSN2 reactions, what we have seen is what are ArSN2 reaction? Aromatic substitution, nucleophilic bimolecular reaction. They take place when your substrate has very strong electron withdrawing group and leaving group is poor. Okay, so in that cases they take place. We have seen its mechanism and evidence. And this one is important. Why fluorine is a best leaving group here in this case? तो बेटा जी कोई क्वेश्चन है प्लीज आस्क.
सर
हाँ जी बोलो.
ਸਰ ਫਿਰ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਤੇ ਫਲੋਰੀਨ ਦਾ ਬੌਂਡ ਰੇਟ ਡਿਟਰਮਿਨਿੰਗ ਸਟੈਪ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ ਟੁੱਟ ਜਾਏਗਾ?
नहीं नहीं बेटे समझे नहीं तुसी गल. rate determining step च नहीं टुटेगा ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ A ਵੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ suppose you have a this structure here you have a fluorine and suppose here you have a iodine ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਚੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਵੀ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਬੈਟਰ ਲਿਵਿੰਗ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਹੈ iodine is a better living group ਠੀਕ ਹੈ fluorine is a poor living group ਇਹਦਾ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ yes or no
yes sir
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
yes sir
ਹੁਣ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ ArSN2 ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੇਟ ਡਿਟਰਮਿਨਿੰਗ ਸਟੈਪ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਲਿਵਿੰਗ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਨਿਊਕਲੀਓਫਾਈਲ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਰੇਟ ਡਿਟਰਮਿਨਿੰਗ ਸਟੈਪ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਅਟੈਕ ਐਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਕੰਪਲੈਕਸ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਐਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਐਲੀਮੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਟੂ ਫਾਰਮ ਦਿਸ ਅਰੇਨੀਅਮ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਹੈ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਰੇਟ ਡਿਟਰਮਿਨਿੰਗ ਸਟੈਪ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕਲੀਅਰ ਹੈ
ਹਾਂਜੀ sir
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਓਕੇ ਹੁਣ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਫਾਸਟ ਅਟੈਕ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਇਸ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਆੜਾ ਇਪਸੋ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਜਿਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਸਬਸਟੀਟਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਫਾਸਟਰ ਅਟੈਕ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਇਸ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਉਨੀ ਫਾਸਟਰ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਜਾਂ ਸਲੋਅਰ ਹੋਏਗੀ
faster
ਉਨੀ ਫਾਸਟਰ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਠੀਕ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਧਰ ਦੇਖੋ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਨਾਓ ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਅ ਫਲੋਰੀਨ ਹੇਅਰ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਇਪਸੋ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਹੈ ਹੇਅਰ ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਅ ਆਇਓਡੀਨ ਕਲੋਰੀਨ ਚਾਹੇ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਯੋਰ ਇਪਸੋ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਐਂਡ ਨਿਊਕਲੀਓਫਾਈਲ ਹੈਜ਼ ਟੂ ਅਟੈਕ ਔਨ ਦੀ ਬੋਥ ਸਾਈਡ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਚਾਰਜ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ 네ਗੇਟਿਵ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਨੂੰ ਅਟੈਕ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਚਾਰਜ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਉਨੀ ਹੀ ਫਾਸਟਰ ਨਿਊਕਲੀਓਫਾਈਲ ਇਸ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਅਟੈਕ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਤੇ ਉਨੀ ਹੀ ਫਾਸਟਰ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਏਗੀ ਨਾਓ ਇਫ ਯੂ ਲੁੱਕ since fluorine is a most electronegative element so what it will do it will withdraw this bond pair of electron ਜਿਹੜਾ bond pair of electron ਹੈ ਉਹ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਲ withdraw ਕਰ ਲੇਗਾ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਫਲੋਰੀਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਕੀ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਪਾਰਸ਼ੀਅਲ 네ਗੇਟਿਵ ਚਾਰਜ ਆਇਓਡੀਨ ਇਸ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਕੀ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਪਾਰਸ਼ੀਅਲ positive charge clear
yes sir
iodine is much less electronegative as compared to fluorine ਤਾਂ ਇਹ bond pair ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਵੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਖਿੱਚੇਗਾ this will remain in the middle ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਘੱਟ ਪਾਰਸ਼ੀਅਲ 네ਗੇਟਿਵ ਆਏਗਾ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਘੱਟ ਪਾਰਸ਼ੀਅਲ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਚਾਰਜ ਆਏਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਕਿਸ ਕੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਿਊਕਲੀਓਫਾਈਲ ਫਾਸਟਰ ਅਟੈਕ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਕਾਰਬਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ
fluorine ਵਾਲੇ
fluorine ਕਿਉਂਕਿ here you have a more positive charge on the ipso carbon because of the electronegativity of fluorine so more zyada positive charge hai, it makes this electron deficient and nucleophile attack fast is it clear
yes sir
ठीक है so that's the reason agar aa confuse ho gaye si bond weak ho janda hai leave it now beta any other question ਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਵੀਡੀਓਜ਼ ਔਰ ਨੋਟਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਪਾਣਾ ਗੂਗਲ ਕਲਾਸਰੂਮ ਚ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਵੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਐਲੀਮੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਚੈਪਟਰ 11 ਹੈ ਉਸ ਚ ਵੀ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੁੱਕ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਜਾਂ ਨੋਟਸ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ ਜਾਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਲੈਕਚਰਸ ਖੋਲ ਕੇ
yes sir
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਬਾਕੀ ਕੀ ਗੱਲ ਸੋ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਚਲੋ
ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ
ਹਾਂ third and last mechanism the third there are three mechanism ਦੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰ ਲੈਣੇ the third and last mechanism ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ the third and last mechanism is elimination addition mechanism the third and last one is elimination addition mechanism for aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ elimination ਹੋਏਗੀ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ nucleophile ਦਾ addition ਹੋਏਗਾ so can you give me example you have already done this elimination addition mechanism you have already done this this take place via formation of बेंजाइन्स याद आया कुछ के नहीं so for example suppose you have this substrate suppose chlorine is there now when you treat this substrate with a very strong base like sodamide in liquid ammonia so what will happen ki hunda hai this NH2 minus it will attack on this beta hydrogen this is alpha this is beta it will attack on this beta hydrogen so this carbon hydrogen bond will break its electron shift over here Cl goes out So what you get is benzene as the intermediate with the loss of ammonia and NaCl. So you get benzene as the intermediate. आया याद कुछ कि नहीं?
Yes.
Now what's
Yes,
next? Ammonia की करेगा? Now ammonia can attack either on this carbon or on this carbon in case of symmetrical substrate. So say it attack on this carbon, these electrons will shift on this carbon. So this will become NH3 positive, negative, then shift of this hydrogen take place to give rise to the product. So you can see this chlorine is substituted by your nucleophile, which was NH2 here, to give rise to a final product. So this is a nucleophilic substitution reaction via formation of benzenes, or you also say it elimination addition mechanism. Why elimination? Because your first step is a elimination to give rise to a benzene, and the second step is a addition of nucleophile to give rise to a nucleophilic substituted product. So that's why this reaction is called elimination addition mechanism. और एक क्वेश्चन थोड़ा एग्जाम च बहुत बार आया है, हाउ यू विल प्रूव बेंजाइन इंटरमीडिएट इन द रिएक्शन आया होया ना कई बार, वो किवें प्रूव करोगे? अपने उस आइसोटोप लेबलिंग मेथड्स कीता सी, याद है कि नहीं टेक्निक्स दे विच? बोलो बेटे, कीता सी कि नहीं कीता सी? आइसोटोप लेबलिंग कीती सी कि नहीं? जो सिमेट्रिकल प्रोडक्ट बनदे सी, दो प्रोडक्ट बनदे सी।
यस सर।
हाँ, तो सेम क्वेश्चन इत्थे भी ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ रिपीट होया होया बहुत बार। Now, what are evidences in support of this mechanism? Now, what is main requirement for the benzene formation? What is the main requirement for the benzene formation?
लीविंग ग्रुप
Nucleophile.
होने चाहिए बेंजाइन के।
For the main requirement is there must be presence of beta hydrogen. There must be a presence of beta hydrogen to the leaving group. So this is alpha. So if you have this substrate, it's one question exam आया हुआ है, ठीक है? If you have this substrate and if you treat it with a sotamide or potassiumide, reaction
Not
is possible
possible.
or not? Reaction is not possible. So when you take a substrate to your leaving group, that is halogen, reaction does not take place. So no benzene formation can take place. And since no benzene formation can take place, that means this reaction cannot be proceeded. So this proved that reaction take place only via formation of benzene intermediate. The second evidence is by isotope labeling method. So what is this isotope labeling method? We have already done. What we do is, if we take isotope labeled chlorobenzene, suppose this carbon is your carbon 14, and if you treat it with sodamide and liquid ammonia, what will happen? How many products?
Formed होंगे सी।
Two products are formed. So in one product, your NH2 group at the same position as that of product, it is beta to that carbon. Okay, and both products are formed in 50-50 ratio. And how this formation of these both products can be explained? How the formation of both products can be explained? It can be explained only if there is a formation of symmetrical benzene intermediate. So first of all, there is a formation of symmetrical benzene intermediate, which can be attacked by your nucleophile ammonia in both direction. So in one direction, you will get one product, and in the other direction, you get another product. So this also explain. So here you get this product, here you get this product. We have done this 3 times. अपन 3 बार कीती है चीज. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. And what's the last method to prove that there is a formation of benzene as the reaction intermediate in this reaction? ਉਹ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ. How you can further prove? I have just 2 minutes. जल्दी ਨਾਲ finish करो, बाकी कल करांगे. ठीक है, कल ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੀ ਰੀਜੀਓ ਸਿਲੈਕਟਿਵਿਟੀ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਕੇ ਆਓਗੇ. ठीक है, benzenes की रीजੀਓ selectivity in case of substituted substrates. Now tell me the third method by which you can prove that there is a formation of benzene in this reaction. बहुत ही easy है, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ क्लास ਚ ਕਰਵਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ. 2 ਮੈਥਡ ਦੱਸੇ ਸੀਗੇ. ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਆਈਸੋਟੋਪ ਮੈਥਡ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਬਾਈ ਆਈਸੋਟੋਪ ਲੇਬਲਿੰਗ ਮੈਥਡ. ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਇਲਾਵਾ ਹੋਰ ਕੀ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਸੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ?
डायरेक्शन ऑफ बेंजाइन फॉर्मेशन सर।
रिएक्शन ऑफ बेंजाइन फॉर्मेशन, तो बेंजाइन तो अपने प्रूव करना है
सर। ऑर्थो मेटा पैरा ਉਹਦੇ ਚ ਜੋ ਮੇजर ਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ।
ਬੇਟੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਵੀ ਇਸ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਬੈਂਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਬਣਦਾ ਏ, ਉਹ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਪ੍ਰੂਵ ਕਰੋਗੇ? ਵੀ ਆਰ ਗਿਵਿੰਗ ਐਵੀਡੈਂਸ। ਤਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ? ਬਾਏ ਟ੍ਰੈਪਿੰਗ। ਸੋ ਹਾਊ ਯੂ ਕੈਨ ਟ੍ਰੈਪ ਬੈਂਜ਼ਾਈਨ? ਕਿਵੇਂ ਟ੍ਰੈਪ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਬੈਂਜ਼ਾਈਨ ਨੂੰ? ਬਾਈ ਐਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਆਫ ਆਇਓਡੀਨ। So if you add iodine in the reaction, you get this substituted product, anthracene। बेटे पढ़ते नहीं हो तुसी। 4+2 addition take place। और ਉਹ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਹੈ, ਟੈਕਨੀਕਸ ਟੂ ਡਿਟਰਮਾਈਨ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ ਮੈਕੈਨਿਜ਼ਮ ਵਾਲਾ। ਹਰੇਕ ਥਾਂ ਤੇ ਉਸਦੀ ਐਪਲੀਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਪਾਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਯਾਦ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਨਹੀਂ? 3 ਨੰਬਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰਵਾਇਆ ਸੀ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਰਿਐਕਸ਼ਨ, ਜੋ ਬੈਠੇ ਸੀ ਕਲਾਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। So we can prove the presence of these benzynes by trapping them. So if you add a small amount of iodine in this reaction, you get this additional product. If you add anthracene, you will get this product, tryptazine. So this also prove that there's a benzyne intermediate. So we will continue with this tomorrow at 1:30. और बेटे अपना पढ़ो प्लीज, जो पिछे ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕਰਾਇਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ। और बिल्कुल सिंपल चीज़ां ने ये। हाँ, कोई है क्वेश्चन या डाउट तो पूछो। ये रिएक्शन याद आई है कि नहीं?